So today we are going to learn one new lesson from the English Balbharati textbook. The page number is page number 69. Lesson number 32, The Noble Stag. As we all know, King Brahmadatta of Banaras was extremely fond of hunting. Luckily for him, on the outskirts of the city was a huge forest filled with deer. Among them there was a mighty stag. Now there was one king, and the name of the king was King Brahmadatta. Now this King Brahmadatta, he belonged to Banaras. He was the king of Banaras, and he loves hunting. So near his kingdom there was one big forest, and in that forest there were lots of deer, and in that deer there was one stag. Now see, this is the stag. Same like deer, they are same like deer, but they are called as stag. Here we can see the picture of the king and the stag. So the king, he loved hunting, and near his kingdom there was one big forest, and in that forest there was many deers, and also there was one stag. So now what the king is going to do the next, we will read that. One fine day the king had gone hunting with his courtiers. He told his courtiers, "If you allow even a single deer to escape, I will punish you severely." So the courtiers formed a tight circle from which no deer could escape. Then they began to beat their sticks on the ground to frighten the deer hiding in the bushes and to make them run. The only way out of their circle was through a small clearing, where the king stood ready with his bow and arrows. The courtiers were beating their sticks on the ground and shouting when suddenly a stag leaped out of a thicket. Now what are the courtiers? Courtiers means the people who work for the king. The people who work for the king are called courtiers. So one day the king and his courtiers, they went to the forest where there were lots of deers and stag was also there. So what did the king said? The king said that, "Today if any deers runs here and I am not able to hunt that deer, so I am going to punish you." अगर एक भी डियर यहाँ से बचकर चला गया तो उसकी पनिशमेंट में तुम्हें दूंगा. The king is telling that if the deers run, I will punish you. The king is going to punish the courtiers very badly. He is going to give a very difficult punishment. वो बहुत hard punishment उन courtiers को देगा अगर एक भी deer बचकर भाग गया तो. So what did the courtiers do? The courtiers made a big circle from which the deer cannot run out. They formed a circle in such a way that the deers cannot run out. There was only one space from where the deers can run. But who was standing there? The king was standing near that place. एक छोटा सा प्लेस था जहाँ से डियर भाग सकते थे, बट उस जगह पे कौन खड़ा था? किंग. किंग वहाँ पे खड़ा था कि अगर डियर भागने की कोशिश करेंगे तो किंग अपना बो और एरो निकाल कर वो स्टैग और डियर्स पर हमला करेंगे, उनको हंट करेंगे. सो द courtiers, they were beating with the stick on the ground. The courtiers were beating with the stick on the ground. And whenever a deer used to come in that circle, they used to start shouting. But there was one deer who was trying to go out of the circle. There was one stag. He was trying to go out of the circle. Now what the stag and the king are going to do next? The stag saw that the king was standing in the way, so he looked the king straight in the eye and made a dash towards him. The king was taken aback and shot an arrow toward the stag hurriedly. Of course, it missed the mark, but the stag rolled over. Now, what did the stag do? The stag, he was standing near the king. So now the stag was looking at the king in his eye and he tried to dash towards the king. वो king के ऊपर ऐसे जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. So what did the king do? The king, he moved little behind, he moved little backwards and he removed his bow and arrow and made a shot near the stag. But he missed his stag. But he missed his shot. वो king ने अपना shot miss किया और stag को नहीं लगा. But the stag was rolling over. Now, there is one thing that you must know about the stag. It was excellent instincts and is extremely good at dodging arrows, whether shot at from the back, front or even the top. If an arrow is aimed at its belly, it pretends to roll over and then jumps up and runs when the danger has passed. Now the stag is very smart and he is very clever. Stag जो है वो सादा stag नहीं है, वो बहुत होशियार है. He is very smart. Now the stag was very excellent at concentrating on the shots. वो बराबर concentrate करता था कि shots कहाँ से आ रहे हैं. And he was good at dodging the arrows. When the arrows used to come at him, he used to move and go here and there. So the arrow would not hurt him. वो इधर उधर भागता था ताकि arrow उसे बिल्कुल ना लगे. He was very smart. If the arrow was coming from the backwards or it was coming from the front or it was coming from the top, he used to escape from there. वो वहाँ से बच के भाग जाता था. If the arrow was coming near his stomach, so he used to roll on the ground and again he used to jump and stand. अगर एरो उसके बेली के तरफ, स्टमक की तरफ आता था तो वो गिरने का नाटक करके रोल होता था और जंप करके फिर से खड़ा होता था. उस वजह से क्या होता था, एरो तो निकल कर जा चुका होता था. एंड व्हेन द डेंजर वाज ओवर ही यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट रनिंग फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. सो ही वाज वेरी स्मार्ट एंड ही वाज वेरी क्लेवर. वो बहुत समझदार और बहुत होशियार था. सो व्हेन दिस स्टैग रोल्ड ओवर, the king thought that his arrow had found its mark. He lowered his bow and began to walk towards the stag. But the stag suddenly jumped and shot past the men. When the courtiers realized that the king had been mistaken, they started to laugh. Now, what did the king thought? The king thought now the stag has fallen down. And the king slowly went towards the stag. And he thought that my arrow has hit the stag. So when he lowered his bow, means when he kept his bow and began to walk towards the stag, the stag he jumped and he stood near the king. And when the courtiers realized that the king, he has missed his arrow, so they started laughing. कोई भी हमारे सामने गलती से कुछ भी गलत बोल देता तो हमको कितना हंसने का होता है, अरे तूने गलत बोला, अरे तूने गलत बोल दिया. सो सेम वे कोर्टियर्स भी हंसने लगे. कोर्टियर्स को लगा अरे किंग ने तो अपना शॉट मिस कर दिया और वो लोग ये सब सोच के हंसने लग गए. और किंग को भी लगा कि उसका शॉट बराबर किसको लगा है, स्टैग को लगा है. बट वो स्टैग को लगा था क्या? नो, वो स्टैग को तो लगा ही नहीं था. बट स्टैग ने नाटक किया कि उसे लग गया है. और जैसे किंग उसके पास आ गया वैसे स्टैग ने क्या किया, जंप किया एंड ही वाज स्टैंडिंग. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द कोर्टियर्स वर लाफिंग बिकॉज द किंग हैज मिस्ड हिज शॉट. नाउ द किंग थॉट हिमसेल्फ टू बी एन एक्सीलेंट मार्क्समैन एंड कुड नॉट बेयर द taunts of his men. He grabbed his sword and set off in the forest in order to catch the stag. He chased the stag for quite a while and covered a long distance. Now the king was very angry because everyone was telling that what this king is, he cannot shot the deer. कैसा किंग है ये, एक डियर को भी शॉट नहीं कर पाया, और सब उस पर हंस रहे थे. तो किंग को बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आया. द किंग वॉज वेरी एंग्री बिकॉज एवरीवन वॉज लाफिंग एट हिम. So the king got angry and he decided that he will go into the jungle and he will hunt the stag. So with his sword he went inside the jungle and he was chasing the stag for a very long time and he went inside the jungle. वो राजा को बहुत गुस्सा आया और उस गुस्से में उसने क्या किया, वो जल्दी जल्दी भागकर अपना sword means तलवार, he removed his sword and he went inside the jungle to catch the stag. The stag came upon a hole in the ground that was covered by a rotting tree and filled with slime. From a distance it could smell the dirty water and so was careful not to run over it. But the king could not sense the pit and fell right into it. Now they both went into the jungle. So the stag was running and he saw that there is one hole in the ground and it was covered with a rotting tree. Rotting tree means the tree which has all fallen down and it was smelling very badly. It is called as rotting. मतलब गंदा बास जो आता है ना, उसे कहते हैं rotting. And he came to know that it was a hole and he could fall inside that hole. So he was very clever that he did not went near that dirty hole which was filled with dirty water. उसको बराबर स्मेल लग गया पहले कि आगे गंदा पानी है, तो वो उस तरफ भागा ही नहीं, वो दूसरी तरफ भागा. But the king, he did not know that there was one hole and he fall inside the hole. King को तो पता ही नहीं चला कि वहाँ पे होल है और वो उसके अंदर गिर गया. But the stag was very clever. उसको पता चल गया पहले ही कि वहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ है, इसलिए वो वहाँ पे गए नहीं. लेकिन किंग इतना गुम हो गया था कि उसको स्टैग को मारना ही है कि उसने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया आगे क्या है. After a while the stag realized that he was not being followed any longer. He understood that the king had perhaps fallen into the pit. So the stag went back to the pit and saw the king struggling for his life. The stag felt very sorry for the king. He decided to save the king's life even though the king was following him with the intention to kill him. Now when the stag went forward, stag थोड़ा आगे चला गया तो उसे पता चला कि अरे मेरे पीछे तो कोई है ही नहीं, इतनी देर से तो राजा मुझे फॉलो कर रहा था मुझे मारने के लिए, बट अभी वो मेरे पीछे है ही नहीं. द किंग वॉज फॉलोइंग मी टू किल मी, नाउ ही इज नॉट देयर. सो व्हाट डिड द स्टैग डू? स्टैग ने क्या सोचा? दैट ही विल गो अगेन टू द किंग एंड ही विल हेल्प हिम. सो द स्टैग वेंट नियर द किंग एंड ही सॉ दैट द किंग वॉज इनसाइड द होल एंड ही वॉज स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर हिज लाइफ. He wanted to come out but no one was there to help him. So what did the stag decided? The stag decided that he will help the king and he will take out the king from the hole. The stag told the king not to worry and to be brave for a while longer. He then caught a huge rock with his hind legs and lowered himself into the pit. The king caught hold of his neck and the stag climbed out onto the level ground and carried the king to safety. Now, what did the stag do? The stag told the king that please don't worry, I will help you to come out from this pit. I will help you to come out from this hole. You just be brave. Stag ने बोला आप brave रहो, आप बिल्कुल डरना नहीं, मैं आपकी हेल्प करूँगा और आपको इस होल से बाहर निकालूंगा. सो हिंड लेग्स, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हिंड लेग्स? हिंड लेग्स मीन्स द लेग्स विच आर इन फ्रंट. जो दो लेग्स आगे होते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? हिंड लेग्स. हमने पढ़ा था ना लास्ट टाइम इंग्लिश के लेक्चर में, मीनिंग्स लिखे थे हमने. So last time in the lesson Bremen town we have learnt na that what is the meaning of hind legs? Hind legs means the two legs which are in front. जो दो legs आगे होते हैं एनिमल को उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? hind legs. So what did the stag did? The stag with the hind legs he brought one big stone and that stone he throwed that stone into the hole. उसने क्या किया, उस स्टोन को होल में फेंक दिया और उसे फेंकने के बाद वो उस स्टोन पर जाकर खड़ा हुआ एंड जब वो खड़ा हुआ उस पर उसने अपनी गर्दन उस किंग को दे दी और वो किंग ने उसका नेक पकड़कर वो बाहर आ गया. What did the stag do? The stag threw the stone, big stone into the hole and he told the king that please catch my neck and you can come up safely. So the stag brought the king out very safely. The king thanked the noble stag again and asked him to return with him to Banaras, where he could have anything and everything he wanted. Now the king was very thankful to the stag because the stag has saved the life of the king. Stag ने उस king की life बचा ली है. इसीलिए king क्या बोल रहा था उसको, प्लीज आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू, यू कैन कम टू बनारस एंड यू कैन हैव एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग यू want. I am ready to give you everything you want. But the stag did not want anything in return for his help. He just requested the king to rule wisely and well and be kind to animals. The noble stag disappeared into the forest. King Brahmadatta then vowed not to hunt or hurt any animal. So the stag is telling that king, I don't want anything from you. But I want to tell you one thing that please rule wisely and be well and kind to the animals. मुझे आपसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बस आप एक अच्छे किंग बनो एंड प्लीज़ डोंट हंट द एनिमल्स एंड डोंट हर्ट देम. आप एनिमल्स का हंटिंग मत करो, उनको प्लीज़ हर्ट मत करो, प्लीज़ आप मेरे लिए इतना ही कर दो, बाकी मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. एंड द स्टैग वेंट इनटू द फॉरेस्ट. द किंग बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी. सो नाउ the king Brahmadatta, he decided that he will not hunt the animals. So students, what we learned from this lesson, we have learned that the animals are very kind and generous to us. The animals are very kind, they are very helpful. Animal कभी भी हमारी help करने के लिए मना नहीं करते. अभी dogs भी देखो, कभी कभी हम हमारे dogs को डांटते हैं, उनको मारते भी हैं, बट कभी डॉग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि आज मैं इनका घर का ध्यान नहीं रखूँगा. हम उनको कितना भी डांटे, कितना भी चिल्लाए, वो हमेशा हमारे घर का ध्यान रखते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू हर्ट एनी एनिमल्स. कोई भी एनिमल्स को आपको हार्म नहीं करना है, उनको बिल्कुल हर्ट नहीं करना है, चाहे वो कैट हो, डॉग हो, छोटा पपी हो, काओ, कोई भी रहने दो, आपको उनका हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू हर्ट द एनिमल्स. सो ऑलवेज हेल्प द एनिमल्स एंड बी काइंड एंड जनरस टू देम एंड नेवर बीट एनी एनिमल. सो बी काइंड टू द एनिमल्स. सो दिस वॉज द लेसन विच वी लर्न टूडे, द नोबल स्टैग. So complete the worksheets which I will send to you on the WhatsApp and do the reading practice of this lesson.